Good morning all. Today we will be doing a discussion about this is case note is about Olivia Jack. It's like a case note related to mother and daughter or son. Okay, so we will start now. So I will just show you the question first and then I will start discussing. So whatever I marked in the red dot, that is important, and whatever I mark with blue color, that is not important. So this is a write a letter to director. So director capital D. So you can write to address like this. Always please remember that community, child's health. See everything, if it's starting with capital letters, you are supposed to write in capital letters, and if it's small, you are supposed to write in small letters. Okay, this is the address. Director, either you can start dear director or you can always start with dear sir or madam. So this is the assistant for Olivia and her baby. So whatever I marked in red color, that is important, and not Jod is not important, and prefers bottle feeding. Okay, so capsule name, you have to check this is written in the capital letters. Emergency, immediate or urgent cesarean section. So medical history, whatever not related to no alcohol, no drug allergy, you can just strike off. And whatever related to baby and mother, that is important. Receives sole parent benefits. Okay, offering the baby for adoption, offering. So that's the question, and let's discuss the answer. Address, date, dear sir or madam, mother's name with date of birth. So you can take time to read this. So either you can start like this. This 19-year-old single mother, that is 19-year-old old, it's a single word. Okay, so please keep that in mind this when you are counting the word. Okay, Miss Olivia, 19-year-old single mother who had a cesarean section, delivered a baby on date. Preposition on date is being referred, spelling of the referred RED for home visits. Separate word with plural for follow-up care and counseling. So other way to write is, I am writing to request, not request. I am writing to request a home visit for Miss Jack and her baby. They require advice. Advice, if you are writing advice, it should be CE, and assistance from your service regarding what all? Breastfeeding, bathing and caring for her baby. So you can write like this. Here the birth weight, initial birth weight and the birth weight of the baby. So it's synonyms have been used. It's birth of the baby, birth weight and weight of the baby. So you can also use synonyms over like that. Otherwise how? Because it's wrote in different sentence. You can even write like this. Miss Jack was given birth to baby. Okay, one second. Baby's birth was this much and current weight is this much kilogram. Okay, like that also you can write. and there were no complications. See, were, if because complications plural came, that's why were had been used during the cesarean procedure. Okay, during the cesarean procedure. Miss Jack had mild blood loss due to postpartum hemorrhage, single word, earlier managed and later prescribed with tablet name capital F. There it was full capital, but here it is in the answer when we are writing. Start the medicine name with capital spelling and remaining in the small letter. Iron supplement, either you can write iron supplements and vitamins, in the bracket you can mention this name also. Breastfeeding was initiated, but the mother appears to be reluctant and want to change to bottle feeding, prefers to bottle feeding and wants to change to bottle feeding. The weight of the baby at the time of discharge is 3 point. So we made that to a single sentence. Otherwise, Miss Jack was given birth to baby name through cesarean section due to fetal discharge failure due to fetal distress. And you can even mention her current hemoglobin level and thus hence started with the iron supplements. And the spelling of iron supplements will be supplements, supplements. Okay, please check with the spelling supplements, because students are making mistakes in this spelling, that's why I told you again. Okay, although mother started breastfeeding, she is not confident enough and prefers bottle feeding. If you want to start with all those sentence. Okay, was initiated comments. Okay, Miss Jax lives in a rental share flat and is not in contact with the family of the child, with the husband or her family. She is isolated and feels insecure. Okay. She is not confident about her parenting skills either. Okay, so it's like otherwise better than writing she is not confident about how to take care of child, about her mother, about being a mother, like better than that parenting skills, vocabulary. She does not believe that she has the ability to breastfeed. Breastfeed, you can frame sentence with breastfeed, breastfed, breastfeeding, bathe or care for her baby, and is of the view, okay, of the view of giving the child for adoption. Considering the social background of Miss Jack, please arrange home visits for follow-up care along with counseling. Spelling of counseling, double L, cell, count, cell, SELL. If it is without ing, only one L. And any assistance for newborn care. See, this sentence you can use for every related to all this community child health service. Okay, it's see the spelling, C, capital C, capital C, capital H, capital S. Keep that in mind. Assistance for newborn, hyphenated word. Please note that Miss Jack receives continuous single mothers or sole mothers pension. Or you can write in the last sentence, in view of the above, it will be greatly appreciated if you could do needful arrangements for a home visit. Do needful arrangement or any assistance for newborn care. So that's it. Thank you all.